Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about life skills. Washing dishes. How many of you know how to wash dishes? If you don't know how to wash a dish, it's okay. I'm going to teach you how today. How to properly wash dishes. These are your steps. So number 1. Always start with a clean sink. Take dishes out and stack them. Clean the sink. Fill sink with hot soapy water. Number 5. Wash dishes from cleanest to dirtiest. And number 6. Dry the dishes. So let's review. This is a kitchen sink. A clean kitchen sink. These are dirty dishes. I see food. I see everything stacked up. This is soap. We have different kinds of soap. And these are clean dishes. So at the end of the day, we always want to have clean dishes. So now let's watch a video with all of your steps.
Washing dishes. Sally is learning how to wash dishes. The first step is to fill the sink with soap and water. Then put the dirty dishes in the soapy water and scrub each one with a sponge. Rinse the soap off of the clean dishes. And lastly, dry the dishes off with a towel.
So now that we have a better understanding of how to wash dishes, we need to practice this every single day. So next time your parents ask you to wash dishes, you can gladly help them out.